Hello everyone, welcome to Tasha's Touch Crystal Kit. Several years ago, Spirit gave me the idea to buy these cute little boxes and trinket boxes and whatnot and fill them with items that will assist your spirit energy in staying focused and on your divinely right path. And for those who don't believe how I believe, they're pretty and make you feel good. So here, as you can see, we sat at the table a week ago, I think, and I do a quick meditation, and this is what my angels, spirits, whatever you choose to call them, suggested that I put in this customer's crystal kit. Now, sometimes they have me put all sorts of interesting things in them, and she wanted 2 keys. Yes, the other one is on the beadboard. We have here a rose quartz Buddha and some cute little trinkets that they said she might like. Shells, agate slab, petrified wood, hagstone, mookaite slab, celestite, isn't that beautiful? Shiva lingam stone, clear quartz cluster, red jasper, another jasper, bloodstone, and amazonite. Now I can hear you saying, now Tasha, how does that all relate to each other? I don't know. I ask my spirits what they need, what people need. They tell me, and then when you get them and go to Judy Hall Crystal Bible 1, 2, or 3 and find out the meaning of each one, and then you always go, this is exactly what I need. Well, that's what most people tell me when they get their kit. So of course I'm going to include a beautiful doily that she chose just because I like this type of setup. If you don't, that's okay. You put it however you feel it should be in your space, you know? So I'm going to pack all these up right now and put them... Oh, actually, I'm not going to. I'm going to shine this box up a little bit more with some varnish. And then I will put all this in bubble wrap and put it inside her box and ship it off to her. After I bless it with some, sage and dragon's blood and whatnot, get all my cooties off of it, as it were, and put it in her beautiful box. I was so happy to find these because they're so versatile, You can take this and do anything else you want with it. Put your jewelry in it, put your shells in it, put whatever, put your crayons in it. Or whatever you like. So there you have it. Let me know if I can create a little crystal kit for you and your energy to help you stay focused and remembering your purpose for being.